My name is Grant Anderson. I'm the new lithium power sales engineer for Clark Material Handling. This industry has been used to a lead acid product, whereas you run the battery for 8 hours, you charge it for 8 hours, you let it cool down for 8 hours. There's a lot of downtime when it comes to batteries and what the industry has been used to. So lithium has literally turned that on its end with the technologies that have been offered to the industry just in the last, call it 7 to 10 years. So lithium has changed everything, the way that we think about power. Lithium, you're able to charge it in a fraction of the time. You can run it for a lot longer period of time, making your investment go a lot further than you could with lead acid. With the efficiencies of lithium, you get something far greater than what the industry has seen. You get a product that can be available almost instantaneously with the charging that is available for lithium. So there's no more, another huge benefit, there's no watering with the battery, right? There's no maintenance. In fact, there's zero maintenance when it comes to a lithium product. Whereas the lead acid product, you have to maintain over a period of weeks, months, and years of its life.